Hey guys, Justin here of Tech, and if you're currently on the lookout for an affordable smartphone on online e-commerce apps like Lazada or Shopee, then you're probably already familiar with Infinix. The Hong Kong-based company introduced the Infinix Hot 10 Play earlier this year, and what we have is the upgraded version, so it has bigger memory and storage, as well as a MediaTek Helio G35 chipset and still keeping that monstrous 6000 mAh battery capacity. So quickly, let's check it out! Before anything else, let's see what's inside the box. Lifting up the lid, we're greeted with the phone right away with its key specs shown on it. Let's remove it and set it aside first. Then in this small white box, we have a hard clear case, a free screen protector, the manuals and warranty in this dollar bill inspired design, and the SIM ejector tool. Meanwhile, other things in the box are this charging brick and yes, this micro USB cable. Looking at the phone, this Infinix Hot 10 Play is a pretty tall device. The back is made out of plastic, but it does have a glass stick illusion with its textured pipeline design. The unit we have is in the Aegean blue colorway, but it's also available in Morandi green, obsidian black, and 7-degree purple. Also at the back, we can find its fingerprint sensor and dual rear cameras that can easily be mistaken with 3 or 4 lenses. On the right side, we have the volume rocker adjacent to the power button, and they're positioned near the center of the frame, so they're easy to reach. Meanwhile, situated on the left side is the triple card tray. There's nothing on top, but found at the bottom are its main microphone, micro USB port, and a headphone jack. Flipping to its front, the bezels are quite thick in today's standard, but I do appreciate having an LED indicator on the top part beside the dewdrop notch. We have a large IPS LCD screen measuring at 6.82-inch with a resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, a screen-to-body ratio of 82.4%, and a pixel density of 263 pixels per inch. So far, the colors look accurate and its outer visibility is average in its range. Now under the hood, this Infinix Hot 10 Play is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G35 chipset that's coupled with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and Infinix's XOS 7.0 that's based on Android 10. As I've mentioned earlier, it packs a massive 6000 mAh battery which supports the new Power Marathon tech designed by Infinix. The brand claims that it can last you up to 5 days on a single charge, which we are curious to test in our full review coming soon. As for its cameras, its dual AI rear setup is composed of a 13-megapixel main and an AI lens that wasn't really specified by the brand. Meanwhile, for selfies, we get an 8-megapixel front shooter. We will test its cameras in our full review, but for now, you may check out the shots we got so far. Now talk about price. The official tag for this upgraded Infinix Hot 10 Play is yet to be announced as of the creation of this video, but for sure we'll update you guys in our full review, so stay tuned. And that's it for this unboxing and hands-on. Feel free to share with us what you think about this Infinix Hot 10 Play in the comments below. And like usual, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.